What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video has been hugely requested by a lot of you guys through Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is. I kind of held back doing this, to be completely honest, because the reason why, I find it a little bit cringe when traders do this and they show how much money they're earning and everything else. However, you guys are the bosses and I'm here to deliver whatever it is you want to see, okay? So we're going to look at my phone now. We're going to look at the earnings for January, which was last month, January 2021. So as you can see at the bottom, we have income £70,579.21. Now that's not all with trading. We're going to go into how much I pay myself from trading. Now we're going to have a look at the deposits from IG Index. I have other income streams as well that I use. However, the majority of my money does come from trading, and I use a lot of that money to withdraw out of my bank account and invest it into something that, if you're within the community or you know my goals for 2021, all of that money is pretty much being invested into a fund with Hargreaves and Lansdown that pays 5.33% per month on a monthly dividend basis. Now the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm building up my passive income stream. I want my passive income, my first goal for 2021 is to build up my passive income stream to a level where it covers my expenses for the month. So at the minute my expenses are around about £5,000 to £6,000 a month. So for me, I need to have about 1.25 million into this dividend account that's going to pay me every single month. For me, that's the ultimate financial freedom, and that's exactly what I'm doing trading for. I don't want to trade forever. I'm using trading right now to build up a massive passive income stream where I can quite simply just live on the passive income that I get from this dividend fund every month. Okay, so let's actually look at the first deposit. So the first deposit was Monday, January 25th, and that was £30,172.55. Very random number. However, I have mentioned this before in a video where if I've got £100,172.55, I will withdraw that money just to make it down to a round number. So yeah, IG Index, the first withdrawal is £30,172.55. Okay, and that was done on the 25th of January. It's not always the same, to be honest with you. Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more. But for me at the minute, I'm really trying to get this passive income, and I will get this passive income to cover my expenses for this year. Then from there on out, it will be a case of building on that to then get my passive income to be 10,000 per month, then 20, then 30, and then so on. And then just imagine, you know, in 3-4 years time, you've got passive income paying you 25,000-30,000 a month, and you're able to go and do whatever it is that you want to do, whether that's going to see the world, travel, well, not so much in a minute with Corona, but hopefully in 2-3 years time, that's all done. That's what my main aim is behind trading and why I'm pulling out fairly large sums from IG Index. So the second amount was quite literally the day later, £32,249.96. So within 48 hours, I withdrew 64,000 out of IG Index. And as you know, as I just said previously, my total income through this bank account was around about 70,000 for the month. I actually have a whiteboard up there that I haven't shown, but it's my earnings, and I will have January, February, March, April, May, June, whatever, and I'll have my target at the bottom. So I know constantly each month how much money I need to earn in order for me to make that target. I break it literally down from month to week to day, how much I need to earn in order to facilitate and reach the target that I'm aiming for. A lot of people say they want to earn 100,000 in a year or whatever with trading, but they don't know exactly what's required on a daily, weekly, hourly basis with trading and how much you need to make. It's the same with all work. It's not just trading. If you're aiming for something, you need to break it down into incremental steps in order to achieve those goals, because it's all well and good saying you want to earn 100,000, but if you have no idea how you're going to get there, then you need to work it out properly. Does that make sense? So yeah, £32,249.96. Again, random number, but I just brought it back down to a level so my trading account is 00 at the end of it, so it's a nice round number. But yeah, so this is something that I'm working towards. You know, as I said, I'm not always earning this kind of money, sometimes less, sometimes more. But for me at the minute, as I've said, I literally just want to build up a passive income stream. I watch a lot of Grant Cardone. I watch him probably every hour of the day. I've got the Cardone University, I've got the wealth building strategies. I'm doing everything that that man is saying in order to build money. The only thing I'm not doing is putting the money into property. Reason I'm not doing that at the minute is because, one, we're in a massive pandemic and I don't really understand how the property game works. That's something that I need to invest in myself in order to understand how that game works. And two, this is very easy for me at the minute. I can withdraw the money straight out of my bank account, straight into Hargreaves Lansdown, and that money straight away is going to work for me. What I'm probably going to do in 6 months time, 12 months time, I'm going to have the Hargreaves Lansdown fund account, and I'm going to show you exactly how much is in there, whether it's £500,000, £1 million, whatever. And I'm going to show you how much it pays me on a dividend basis, because for me at the minute, all I'm aiming for is financial freedom, and that freedom to be able to do what you want when you want without having to lift a finger. If I didn't want to trade for 1 month and I've got passive income of 20, 25, 30,000, that's an amazing position to be in. A lot of people earn money, but they don't know how to keep it. And for me, my spending at the minute, especially being in a lockdown, 5,000, 6,000, that's rent, car, bills, whatever it is, just the odd bits and bobs that I'm buying. I don't really buy watches anymore. I'm kind of over that. This watch is 35,000. It's something that I've wanted for a long time, but again, you start going up even more and it just gets a little bit silly. When's the end game with watches? I'd rather have my money working for me and not tying up 50, 60, 70,000 pounds in a watch that's not generating me any income, because income is the most important thing in this world. All right, so yeah, guys, listen, I apologize if it's a little bit of a cringe video, but a lot of you guys did want to see this and want to see sort of the money that I'm earning from trading. I hope this is used as more of an inspirational video from where I started, from where I am now, and the possibilities that you have with trading are endless. Okay, so this isn't a video for me stunting and acting like I'm the big boy, because I'm not. This is nowhere near where I want to be, and it may seem like it's quite a lot of money to you guys at the minute, but trust me, you keep doing what you're doing, you follow the strategies that you've been taught, you will get there eventually. Okay, so guys, I'm going to love and leave you. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram. It's LockStockTom, and my website is www.lockstocktrading.com. Some information on there if you wanted to know how to join the community. But other than that, guys, have a lovely day. I hope this was more of an inspirational video for you, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. Cheers, guys.